Okay. Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Felicia, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you so much my love for returning. Thank you so much for your loyalty as well. So guys, just wanted to update you. I'm slowly getting stuff for my apartment and so forth. So today I got some pots. I got a set of pots and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys. That's all. Hey well guys, so they fumigated my place today, you know. They literally fumigated my place today, and hey well, managing a tea. Am I coughing because of that? Yeah, I am coughing, or maybe I'm coming down with something. God knows, because I don't know. So these are the parts that I got. So let's do some unboxing. I just have one question. 7-piece, let me show you this one. 7-piece non-stick How is it 7-piece when there's only literally 1, 2, 3, 4 parts? I don't get it. I don't understand, but anyway, it's okay. I'm just happy that I have pots. Okay, and I'm happy with how they look, and also just because I really just want black kitchenware. I won't lie, I just want black. So bad. Just starting off, so bad. Guys, I think I'm coming down with something for real, and I got myself like made lemon because I'm not feeling 100%, so I'll take this just before I go to bed. And today I'm gonna sleep very early. That's what I'm gonna do. I just got a couple of these, but I'm gonna buy a box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, it's Sunday. It's Saturday. We are going out for cocktails. Are we doing cocktails? You lying. We always drink cocktails. Are we having cocktails again?
Water. And it was so accurate because at the time I wasn't drinking. I don't know how to drink sparkling water, and I felt offended. Ever since that day, I taught myself how to drink sparkling water. Facial.
Yeah, I did facial.
You like things. That's the thing. You like things. Have you been to a chiropractor? Why have you?
T-shirt. That girl will suffer for 600 years, and I mean it.
Stole my t-shirt.
What t-shirt was it?
It's represent. I bought it from hydraulics. And then she wore it, and then she took another hoodie and another shirt. I didn't notice up until they click, and then I didn't want to offend her. Then she's like, "Oh,
We're in the village.
come on. This is Castle."
Yes.
No, is it Cronton Castle? Yeah, it's partly Castle. I'm like, come on, it's Castle.
And he's saying it so proudly. It's Castle. The thing is showing. I keep bad in my video.
Don't forehead. Look at my
Please
forehead.
go watch Felicia's YouTube. You'll see the nonsense she takes of me.
OTD jeans crop top from Mr. Price and my sissy boy. Bad. You're saying I look bad. Yeah. Keep the glasses on.
Whoop her ass.
Whoop her ass.
She's gonna whoop me now that she's saying I must whoop her ass.
Oh, done.
Oh, that's nuts, Mbhele.
I took that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you. That I do it all and I won't run. You're scared of you. I'm not. As long as you joking now with me, I ain't got it.
Real small, stirring up them, bruh.